Looking for the best speed bags? In this video we look at some of the top 3 speed bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Bollage Laser Speed Bag. Pros: rebounds predictably. Smooth but not slippery. Smooth-grained leather. No lace design. Fill value is mounted to its own panel for balance. Air chamber never pops. Kevlar triple-stitched loop. Cons: if the bag loses air, be sure to coat needle tip with petroleum jelly when you add air. Bottom line: this laceless, no-welt design is gentler on your hands than styles with laces. At number 2. Meister SpeedKills Leather Speed Bag. Pros: offers surprising durability and high-quality cowhide at a reasonable price. The lightweight latex bladder gives you plenty of responsiveness without sacrificing build quality. Cons: the small model can sometimes arrive misshapen. Bottom line: 3 different sizes for 3 times the fun. At number 1. Ringside Cleto Reyes Speed Bag. Pros: durable, high quality. Predictable rebounds. Soft, thick feel. Maintains inflation. Leather with nylon lining. Precise detailing. Smooth response. Handmade in Mexico. Cons: if bag doesn't seem responsive enough, try inflating to around 8 pounds per square inch. Bottom line: a high-quality bag that's great for dedicated, daily use. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.